Only a few centuries ago, 20 million springbok once roamed southern Africa following the rains in search of fresh grasslands. An event which would dwarf the Serengeti migration we see today. Over the last century, unsustainable livestock farming has fragmented the once vast landscape, damaging ecosystems and causing a loss of most large mammals. Our vision is to create a transfrontier reserve of 1.9 million hectares. Our mission is to reconnect the landscapes by creating wildlife corridors, bringing back large mammals like elephants, and ecologically restore degraded areas. We will generate livelihood opportunities for local communities with nature-based solutions. For us, success will be the return of wildlife migrations, a climate-resilient ecosystem, the creation of 1,500 jobs, 1 million prospering native trees, and local communities once again thriving off natural resources.